How can you be sure the product you choose to source on Amazon has a good chance to succeed? Hey, this is Rochelle and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. To begin, I probably wouldn't look at a product like this to begin with because I need to sell a product that has a margin of at least $10 after landing costs for PPC advertising. This product, for the most part, is selling for prices lower than $30, which is the minimum price range I typically look for. But let's analyze this product because it's just as important to understand why a product wouldn't be a good candidate versus a product that may be a good candidate. Let's first start with a checklist and look at each component of this checklist. Can the product sell for more than $30? Can we differentiate the product? What is the market demand? How much are the top competitors selling? And what are the margins to sell this product? Can the product sell for more than $30? By looking at the products for the search term wine bottle sack, it looks like the answer is no. But let's analyze this further. Can we differentiate our product? The answer is yes. Look at all these different designs for this product. There are a lot of Christmas-inspired designs, but as you can see, there are a few printable differentiation designs. The numbers 1 through 10 design, the 3 quotes design, and the cheers design. Remember, just because you differentiate a product doesn't mean the differentiation will be a winner. Let's look at the main images. Which main image looks best to you or resonates with you? 1, 2, or 3? Now let's look at the numbers for these differentiations to determine what other buyers seem to feel. The 3 quotes designs are only doing 8 sales monthly, according to Helium 10. The cheers designs are doing 7 monthly sales, and the numbers 1 through 10 design is doing 213 monthly sales. Now, the seller of the 1 through 10 design may be better at PPC, or the design may be a better design amongst these 3, but sales seem to show the 1 through 10 design is the winning differentiation. Next on our checklist, is there demand for this product? At first glance, I would say no. To search wine bottle sack, I ran Helium 10's X-Ray, which is a Chrome extension. And if you're interested in getting Helium 10, my discount link is in the description below. I also hovered my mouse on each ASIN hyperlink on the X-Ray's results and deleted any ASINs that weren't relevant to the search term, such as wine protector bags, wine stoppers. There was also a wine rack included in these results, which were all on this results page for the search term wine bottle sack. After modifying the results, I see $62,684 as the total revenue, with an average BSR of $246,295. This tells me that the demand isn't great, and I probably would pass on this product, but let's look at some other data to make sure. Although there is one seller selling 1,257 units monthly, this seller seems to have accomplished this by selling 12 burlap wine bags with drawstrings, a 2-color scheme, and they also bundled it with tags and twine. So their differentiation is the color scheme of the bags and the bundling of the bags with the tags and the twine. Now let's look at why this seller is getting 1,257 monthly sales. Using CEREBRO, another Helium 10 tool, we will filter by organic rank and sort by highest search volume. And we see that this seller is organically ranked 1 for 8 keywords with more than 1,000 monthly searches, totaling over 30,000 monthly searches. So they're 12 burlap wine bags with drawstrings, a 2-color scheme with tags entwined. Differentiation is getting 1,257 monthly sales from 30,000 monthly searches, which is 4% of the search term volume, which is pretty good. What are the margins for this type of product? I looked at Alibaba and I searched wine sack. I see some wine sacks for as low as 16 cents, but let's look at the 30 to 33 cent possibility. Also, let's look at this option because the MOQ, which stands for minimum order quantity, is only 10 pieces. And we also want to do a small first order to test the market. So we want to deal with a supplier that will allow us to do that. So here's how we will estimate our margins. We know that the top seller bundled 12 wine sacks with 12 tags entwined. Those items are cheap, so let's estimate this will cost 50 cents for each product, and a 12-pack will cost us $6 each. Helium 10's profitability calculator estimates that the FBA fees are about $5.28. Now remember, the referral fee is 15% of the price of the product. So in this example, the product costs $11.99. So this fee changes depending on the price you choose to charge for your product. So if you charge more than $11.99, your FBA fees will also increase. Let's now estimate the shipping cost. Helium 10's revenue calculator estimates that the weight of this product is about 0.66 of a pound. I completed the shipping estimate by multiplying 0.66 of a pound by 100 of these 12 packs, totaling 66 pounds. That is approximately 30 kilograms. To sea ship will cost us about $1.20 per kilogram. So 30 kilograms at $1.20 will cost us $36 to sea ship in total. So if we divide the 100 by 36, it will cost us about 36 cents per 12 pack to ship. So at $6 to source, $5.28 FBA fees, plus the 36 cents to ship, we are already at $11.64. So from a margin standpoint, this product would not be a good product to source unless we could find a way to differentiate this product and give us a value of $20 or more. Let's look at Pinterest and Etsy for some inspiration. I actually like the Mommy Survival Kit one on the screen. It probably wouldn't be enough for me to source this product because the price point isn't high enough. The margins don't look good and the market demand isn't great. But this example shows how a simple product can be differentiated and how to properly analyze products you may consider sourcing to determine if the product has the foundation to succeed. If you would like to see more content like this, please let me know down in the comments below. As always, thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.